So they say consider the word substitute. How many different arrangement of the letters of this word are possible? Né? So we know that when we deal with this kind of letters, we have to first count how many letters do we have, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 letters that are there. Né? So which means if we want to find the number of letters that are there, let me just like do it this for now. Yeah, but yeah, we know by now we know that we're going to have 10 factorial number of us, guys. I'm just going to speed up this. I explained this on my previous videos. Né? So we're going to have 10 factorial and divide by the number of letters that repeats. How many letters that repeats here? We have 1, 2, s, which is 2 factorial, multiplied by also, which is 1, 2, 3. We have 3 t's, which is 3 factorial. This one, and this one. And what do we have also? We also have u, which is this one. So which you also have to write 2 factorial. Remember, this are the repeated letters. We count how many of them and then we'll calculate it. So if you punch this on a calculator, you're going to get your answer of 15. I don't know how. I'm not good at counting numbers, but this is the number that you're going to get, 20. So this is the number you're going to count if you punch this on a calculator. So these are the number of ways that can be able to be formed by the word substitute. This is the number of that can be able to be formed. So let's just go and take a look at the second example. The second example says that if the letters of the word are arranged randomly, calculate the probability of that the word will start and end with s. So guys, this is one of the most important things. We know that probability, let me just remind you if you forget about probability, is equal to the total number of events that happen that meet the condition, that meet the certain condition, divided by the total number of certain things or event that does not have condition. It does not have condition, which is the one that does not have condition. We already have it, which is this one. This one we have calculated the number of that can be able to be formed by the word substitute, and it does not have any condition. So here we're just going to just find the total number of the ways that can be able to be formed that follows the condition, which condition is the one that they give us here, and we're going to get the probability at the end of the day. So what is the condition that is there? They say that the probability that the word will start and end with s. So guys, this is this on our previous videos. On our previous video, we deal with something whereby when they condition a certain thing, what do? We remove it there so you can be able to not make mistakes. So what they are saying basically is, when we have, since we have 10 letters, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then they say that it must start and end with s. How many options do we have to pick s? Here we have 1 option. Then we don't have 2, guys. I explained it in my previous video. We don't have 2 options. I know there is 2s there, but we don't have 2 options. Why? Is because mathematical this is viewed as 2 different things, but as humans we see them as what? As same letters. But mathematical, this one it can be s1, this one can be s2. So here specifically they must be saying that c2 is fixed and there's only c2 that is here. Hence we write 1 there, and also here we're going to be write 1 at the end, So how many letters are going to be left if these 2 must start? We're going to be left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 8, 7, 2, 1. And if you multiply all this out, you're going to get the number of ways that can be able to be formed. So if you work this one out, you're going to get a number of, this is the same as 1 multiplied by 8 factorial multiplied by 1. Okay guys, I noticed that I made a mistake while recording this video. I forgot to divide by the total number of letters that repeats. The letters that repeats, there's only T and U. The S is already used, it cannot repeat again. So the U and T is the only letters that repeats, but I written the correct answer there. But remember, we want probability that the word will start and end with S. So what do? Now we have the total number of the words that meet the condition. We have to divide it with the total number that does not meet that does not have a condition. So we're going to say probability is going to be equals to 330 divided by what? By this one, which is 15,1200. Then, so if you work this one out, guys, you're going to get a probability as 1/45. Then, so that's it for this video, guys. On my next video, I'm just going to do one more example that include this so you can be able to see this and how to work it out. So see you on my next video. Ciao.